Today, we will talk about how to power the RT97L repeater with solar power. First, we need the following equipment: the RT97L repeater. It is essentially a power amplifier that extends the communication range between walkie-talkies. Here, we connect the car antenna. This is an MPPT controller. Its function is to automatically adjust the charging method according to the output voltage and current of the solar panel, ensuring that the battery is charged at the optimal power point. This is the storage battery. We chose a 12-volt and 9-ampere-hour storage battery. It can output a stable 12-volt voltage to provide power for RT97L. This is a solar charging panel. Since the input of RT97L is at least 12-volt and 3-ampere, the power is at least 36 watt. So we recommend choosing a solar panel with a power of 50 watt or above. This time we chose a 50-watt solar charging panel with a size of 670 by 445 by 25 millimeters for demonstration. Next, we'll demonstrate the connection process. Now we cover the solar panel with cardboard to simulate a situation without light. As you can see, there is currently no solar power supply.